Narrator, in soft, cinematic tones. What if the universe isn't silent? What if all that you've ever known, every star, every galaxy, every breath, is part of a grand, shimmering symphony we've never truly heard? Imagine it for a moment. A melody woven not from sound, but from vibration. Not from instruments, but from the fabric of existence itself. Tonight, we listen. For within the silence, behind the blackness of space, the universe is humming. And you are part of its music. Welcome to the Cosmic Overture. The screen opens in darkness. Slowly, colors bloom, indigo, gold, deep violet, swelling like lungs in slow motion. The nebula pulsates, expands, contracts, as if alive. Narrator. This is the Carina Nebula. A cloud of gas and dust stretching hundreds of light-years across. But watch closely. It's not just floating. It's moving, rippling, vibrating. What you're seeing is cosmic resonance. The universe's invisible heartbeat. Each hums at a vibrational frequency undetectable by the human ear. But they're there. Real. Powerful. Ancient. If you could hear it, the sound would shake you. The camera glides across swirling gas clouds, drifting through star nurseries. Narrator. For centuries, we thought space was silent. A perfect vacuum. A black, endless quiet. But silence is an illusion. Everything, from atoms to galaxies, vibrates. And where there is vibration, there is music. Stars shiver. Planets hum. Black holes sing in frequencies deeper than any bass we can imagine. Even spacetime itself ripples like a stretched cosmic drum. But these frequencies are far beyond our hearing. Too low. Too vast. Too powerful. So the universe plays its music in secret. Ancient cultures sensed this long before science could measure it. Narrator. The Greek philosopher Pythagoras once spoke of the music of the spheres. He believed each planet created a tone, an invisible harmony, as it moved through the heavens. He wasn't wrong. They had no such thing as a telescope. They didn't have cosmic microphones. But they had intuition. And they felt the vibration of existence. Across the world, Vedic sages spoke of Om. Not just a sound, but a cosmic frequency. The vibration from which the universe was created. Indigenous star myths echoed the same idea. The sky hums, the earth pulses. And humans are threads in that great, vibrating web. They felt what science has only now proven. The universe is music. Just not the kind we can hear. Cut to deep space telescopes, radio waves, data streams. Narrator. In 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope captured something extraordinary. Subtle waves in the light of distant stars. Not noise, but patterns. Rhythms. Like cosmic instruments tuning themselves. Scientists call it stellar oscillation. The trembling of stars, caused by superheated plasma churning deep within them. Our sun does it. Every star you see twinkling in the night sky does it. Stars don't just shine. They sing. Some vibrate like giant bells. Others pulse like flutes. And with some thunder, with force as of collapsing gravity. The camera zooms outward. One star becomes a cluster. Then a spiral galaxy. Then many. Narrator. Zoom out far enough. And the music becomes even more astonishing. Galaxies rotate in slow-motion choreography. Their spiral arms do not arbitrarily rotate. They move with a mathematical precision. As if according to some cosmic rhythm. Dark matter provides the beat. Gravity provides the rhythm. The stars dance to it. And throughout the universe, Millions of galaxies swing in patterns. So consistent that some physicists describe it as the metronome of the universe. The visuals transition to a swirling accretion disk. A glowing ring of light spiraling into darkness. Narrator. And then there are those singers with the deepest voices of them all. Black holes. In 2003, NASA detected a black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster. It emits a frequency 57 octaves below middle C. A note so low, so massive, so profound, that one wave would take 10 million years to pass through. You cannot hear that sound. But the universe can. Black holes are not silent monsters. They are cosmic bass drums. Each pulse shakes the fabric of spacetime. Imagine a sound so deep, it bends light. That's the voice of a black hole. Cut to earth. Clouds drift. Oceans rise and fall. Narrator. And the music isn't only out there. Earth sings too. Waves that result in microvibrations on shores. That travel through the crust like bass notes. Wind sweeping through forests produces resonances that hum through tree trunks. Even your heartbeat, that steady, rhythmic pulse, is the slightest echo of the cosmic rhythm that once molded the universe. You are made of vibrating atoms. Atoms that once belonged to stars. Stars that once pulsed with cosmic music. You are a chord in the universe's song. Visual. Ripples expanding through a starfield. Narrator. Something unbelievable was recorded in 2015. A subtle distortion. A ripple. A tiny tremor in spacetime. Two black holes, billions of years ago, collided. And the shockwave reached Earth. Not as light. Not as sound. But as vibration. For the first time in human history, we heard spacetime itself move. This was the cosmic equivalent of the universe plucking a string. A deep, resonant tone that had traveled across the cosmos before touching our small blue world. Now the visuals blend. Nebulae pulsing. Stars oscillating. Galaxies rotating. Black holes ringing. Spacetime rippling. Narrator. Every vibration in the universe. From the smallest atom. From the largest galaxy to. Combines into one unimaginable harmony. The cosmic symphony. It has no beginning. No end. No silence. Just endless waves of resonance. Flowing across the universe. Like the breath of creation. And here's the most beautiful part. Every particle in your body is vibrating at specific frequencies. And those frequencies are entangled with the universe. You are not separate from the cosmic song. You are part of it. Living inside it. Contributing to it. With every movement. Every thought. Every heartbeat. The nebula returns. Again, it pulses, slower now, softer, like a lullaby. Narrator, soft. The universe isn't silent. It has never been silent. It hums. It pulsates. It vibrates. With the music of creation. You may not hear it with your ears. But your atoms feel it. Your bones vibrate with it. Your soul knows it. Tonight, when you look up at the stars, remember, you are made of cosmic music. A single note in an infinite, shimmering harmony. The universe is singing. And finally, we're learning how to listen. Narrator. Thank you for listening to the universe's hidden musical harmonies. Until next time, keep your mind open, your curiosity awake, and thine heart tuned to the music of the stars.